This is my face. Get that young looking skin. Then you should take care of your skin. You should spend some time because that time is the best time you can put everything on your face, because there will be a night shift working on your face while you're sleeping. Save it. Okay. So it's okay to layer the skincare, guys, especially at nighttime, because that time is the best time you can put everything on your face. Because find this informative, I hope you will subscribe and don't forget. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to share with you my nighttime skincare routine. So let's begin. I normally start off with this Clarins Gentle Refiner Cream. So this one, it's an exfoliating cream. It's a microbeads. So for me, this Clarins Gentle Refiner Exfoliating Cream works really best. Okay, so just gonna wash off my face and use this. So one more tip, guys, you should always use the ring finger, because you know why? The ring finger doesn't have a weight on it, so treat your face very gently. Even though you're using an exfoliating scrub, you should like rub it very gently in a circular motion. Normally I always begin at the corner of my nose, because that's where all the small blackheads and whiteheads are building up. And also I'm doing like this, and then in a circular motion also right above on my mouth, the area of my mouth and my smile line. And I always do like this because I have a smile line, because I'm a happy person. And slightly rubbing it gently above my forehead. And as you can see, I'm still using the ring finger, so I don't put much weight on it, but at the same time I'm exfoliating my face. And then when it comes to your cheekbone and the temple of your cheekbone, you can use your two fingers together and then rub it very gently. So I make sure that it's soaked in, everything has been removed, but I'm avoiding the eye area because this is a very sensitive part. Okay, so I'm done. I'm just gonna wash it off with water. So let's move on to the next part. As you can see, I still have like little mascara underneath, so I want to make sure I wipe that off before I put everything on my face. So I'm gonna use this Bayou. Why Bayou? So I'm gonna use the Bayou. I don't know how to pronounce that. Go friends, help. So okay, I'm going to use this one to remove the excess mascara. So I already washed my face. I don't rub my face with towel or anything. I just normally use is I go straight with the toner. That I've been using now is the Blonde Aqua Lotion. I remember I suck when it comes to skincare, but then I realized, who wants to get age, right? So this is the secret. So if you really wanna get that young looking skin, then you should take care of your skin. You should spend some time. And there you go. So we're done with the toner, guys. So the next step would be the Clinic. I love this Clinic hydrating gel. So this is like a holy grail for me. So it's very, this is very hydrating as well. So it balances the moisture of your face, and it's a very good base for your serum, like everything. So at nighttime, guys, since I have a lot of time, I'm layering my face to skincare, like bunch of skincare. I don't mind. So I normally do 3 pumps of this and then put it all over my head. And then upwards at your forehead. So when you're putting the skincare, guys, make sure that you're using it in an upward motion. So you will lift everything up, you know. You don't want it to be saggy and all, you know. So you just want it to lift it up and make sure that it's soaked in everything to your skin. And then don't forget the excess, put it all over your neck. There you go. So we're done with the hydrating moisturizer, which is the Clinic. And moving on to my favorite serum. I'm obsessed with this Estee Lauder Nighttime Advanced Nighttime Repair. So I also use this at morning time because it's a very good base as well before I put my makeup. I mean, for me, I do it like that. You can still find your own, you know, your own ways of doing your skincare, but for me, this works best and I love it. I'm so dependent with that night serum. I love how it gives radiance and glow to my skin, even though I don't put foundation, because most of the time I don't put foundation at work. But these days, I think I need it because I've been experiencing a lot of hives lately and some little breakouts, because probably I've been trying this new skincare that I discovered lately. I'm gonna let you know about it, guys, later on my next videos, hopefully. So okay, I'm done with my serum. And then moving on to my night cream. I know, guys, this is really like annoying, a lot of skincare, but who cares? It's my face. Duh. Since I love Estee Lauder that much, I'm also using their Advanced Night Cream. Yes. So you can see, guys, it's almost over now, so I think I'll be needing another one for this. So I normally do it like this, then like that. I think that's enough because I'm trying to save it. So it's okay to layer the skincare, guys, especially at nighttime, because bedtime is the best time you can put everything on your face, because there will be a night shift working on your face while you're sleeping. Okay, so I'm done with the night cream. So the next step would be for my eye cream. I am using this Clarins. Press it like this, and then automatically the product will same thing on the other eye. And then below the brow bone to the inner corner of your eyes, outwards. So make sure that all this blood will not stuck in there. Make sure that it will all massage and circulated. massaging it all over, upward motion. There you go. So I'm almost done, guys. So yeah, I think I'm done and ready to go to bed. But before that, I'm gonna use the lip oil, again from Clarins. So I'll make sure that when I get up in the morning, my lips are all moisturized as well. So I just put it all over my lips like this. Now, so I'm done with my skincare, guys, and as you can see, this is my face. I'm ready to go to bed, guys. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and you find this informative. I hope you will subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button down below for you to get updated for the next post. I hope you guys enjoy my skincare routine for tonight and hope to see you again next time.